Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
with regards to the nerve supply all of the following are correct except first sensory component of pudendal nerve supplies the skin of the vulva, clitoris, perineum and lower vagina. Motor component of pudendal nerve supplies the muscles of the pelvic floor. Anterior half of the vulva is supplied by the ilioinguinal and genitofemoral nerves. Posterior half of the vulva is supplied by ilioinguinal nerve only. This is false. Then, triangular area bounded by clitoris, fourchette and labia minora is the triangular area bounded by clitoris, fourchette and labia minora is the vestibule. Then, fourchette is where both labia minora meet posteriorly is fourchette. Glands of Litter are homologous to the glands on labia. Glands of labia minora are homologous to the glands of Litter, which are glands of papules of the penile portion of male urethra.
thank you and thank you for watching.